Hi, I'm Peter Nielsen. I am super excited to talk about the future of skincare with our new product line called Exo Skin Simple. It has everything to do with exosomes. Exosomes are excreted from cells. They carry proteins and messenger RNA to neighboring cells to influence their biological function. They help increase collagen production as well as reduce inflammation responses. They also help in the healing process while improving skin hydration. Welcome to the next generation of skincare. Join me. For more information on exoceuticals, just scan the QR code or click the link below. The future of beauty is here.